Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haniifatul Adzra. My student number is 1910732009. In this video, I will explain my understanding on the topic 5, which is discourse and pragmatics. So, in this topic, I will focus explaining on the four different aspects. The first aspect is different scope of pragmatics and discourse in linguistics. Discourse and pragmatics have many similarity, and also they have different in scope. So discourse analysis emphasizing on the structure of the text, and we study in the discourse analysis about how the large chunk of language beyond the sentence are organized. Meanwhile, when we study pragmatics, we consider the importance of the cultural principle of discourse, how important it is. And pragmatics takes social cultural principle on language usage, examining the way the principle expressed by between the speakers. And then the second aspect is different focus on syntax, semantics, and pragmatics. In syntax, we focus study on what are the relation of the words, and we don't consider the social background or background feature of the words, and in the and the next is semantics. In semantics, we focus on the what are the meaning of the words that the speaker are saying. It should be based on the dictionary. So in the semantic, we don't mind the cultural background, social background, or something like that. But in pragmatics, we focus on the relation of the background features of the speakers, and we focus on the context, function, and the text. And the third aspect is the context and context. Context is the physical and social conditions surrounding the speaker and the listener that can facilitate the listener to interpret what and how the speaker are saying. There are three branch of context, which is the situational context, background knowledge context, and contextual context. So what is context or contextual context? Contextual context is the context of the text itself. So it includes the grammar cohesions and the lexical cohesions. So for the last aspect is the speech act theory and its limitation. Speech act is what the act in the utterance, and speech act theory perform when the utterance is produced. So there are three levels of speech act. The first level is locutionary, the second level is illocutionary, and the last level is perlocutionary. And then what is the limitation of the speech act? The limitation of speech act is when the utterance are shared, but somehow it is not shared in in the same way, or it's shared in a different way. So the speech is fails to act. That's how the limitation of speech act. Yes, that's all. So I think that's all my explanations. I'm sorry for all of my mistakes, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.